Conversation between two friends about inviting to a birthday party.
Hey. Hi, Sarah. What's up? Long time no see.
Yeah. It has been really a long time.
How are you doing?
I am doing great. How about you?
I am also doing good. How is everything? What's keeping you busy these days?
I am overloaded with my office work all the time. Anyway, it is your birthday. Coming next week, right? So, when will you arrange the party?
Oh! I am glad that you remember it.
Come on. You are my best friend. I have only one best friend. And that is you. So, how can I forget your birthday?
You are absolutely right. We are the best friends. That's why I have called you here to invite you and your family to my birthday party next week.
That is great. So, where are you going to arrange the party?
I am thinking what the Crown Plaza Hotel will be like for the birthday celebration. What do you think about it?
This is the best idea. Your house will be small for celebration.
Yes, you are right. So, it is done that the birthday party will be held on the 1st of July at Crown Plaza Hotel.
But what time will the party begin?
The party will begin at 6 in the evening.
Did you invite our classmates and your relatives?
Not yet. I have invited you first. So, are you ready for some fun?
Yeah. Of course. It will be great fun meeting our classmates after Corona.
Yeah! It will be like a reunion for all of us.
Yes. You are right.
Don't make any other plan that day. Mark this day in your diary. And don't forget to bring my birthday gifts.
Definitely.
Just kidding. Please be on time that day.
Don't worry. I will be on time. If you need any help, let me know.
Sure.
Don't forget to book the hotel.
Yes, Sarah.
If you like this video, so don't forget to like and share my video. Please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.